ShareLook is a modern mobile nano-learning and content development system. It enables anyone in your business to create, upload, and publish effortlessly. Our platform is designed to be cost-effective and efficient for organizations in any industry and of any size. Grow skills within your business, engage employees, achieve consistency and personal growth every day for every employee. Create learning programs or tailor pre-existing curricula on the ShareLook platform to your needs. Broadcast training, schedule live events, monitor personal growth, track engagement. Take your business to the next level. Train your employees right. Create a community. Master new skills and interact with online learning experts in real time. Visit our website and get the ShareLook app today. Create it, shoot it, broadcast it.